We're gonna be fishing in the boat today. There he is. It's a good one. There's a good one right there. Underneath the boat. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. We're gonna be fishing in the boat today for some bluegill. Got the fly rod. Got a regular rod for some catfish. Let's see what we can catch. And then we got something for the bass. We got a bandito bug. So let's go out there and let's try to catch some fish. You can just see them, those perch. There's some pound ones in here. Some are about a pound. Let's get this boat in the lake. It's hot. Got it. There we go. Okay, we just got off in the water. I think we're gonna go over there first. Almost near the feeder. Get the fly rod first. There's one. It's a nice one. There he is. It's a pretty good one. There he is. There we go. Let's get another one. There we go. Let's see what we can get. There we go. There's one. Pretty good one too. Might be a little bit bigger than the other one. Yeah, I think it is. There it is on the fly. Nice bluegill. Perfect size. There it is, right there. Let's see what we can get. Let's see if I can make it float on top. There's a hit. Oh, that was a good cast. There's one. These suckers fight hard. Got it. Ooh, a perch. Almost got that one. There he is. It's a good one. They're all the same size. It's pretty good. Oh, he swallowed it. God dang it. Try to get him out. Got him. This one swallowed it too. God dang. Get the pliers on this guy. Got it. Let him go. Let's catch some more. That's a good one right there. Fishing for some bass right now. Just throw it over here. There's a good one right there. Underneath the boat. Nice size one. He's about average, not bad. He kind of swallowed it too. God dang, gotta take him off too. I'm pulling up to a new spot right here. This should be good right here. Here we go. There's one. The heck did he just spit up? Oh, he just popped off. The heck is that? Ugh, crawfish. He just spit up a crawfish. There he is. Get bigger. There we go. Just got off the boat, now we're gonna fish off the land for some bluegill. Oh, there's one. Let's see what we got. Bluegill. I did catch a bass a while ago. There's a little bitty one on here. Oh, there's one. Got that one on top water. Got him. There he is. Let him go. Thanks for watching, everybody. If y'all enjoyed it, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.